Look at it.
Who eats bird food?
You're looking at it. It's nutritious. Look. It's got. Oh, look at those words. They're like yay big. About the size of Jake. Okay. Canary grass seeds.
You're eating this, Taylor.
White millet.
Ew.
Oat groats. Red millet.
What?
Ground corn. Distilled soybean meal. Flaxseed. Rapeseed. Green split peas. Corn gluten metal. Nigger seed. It's inappropriate. Do you see that? Wait, I lost it.
I can't see anything.
Nigger seed. Calcium carbonate. Whole wheat.
You're getting your wheat.
Gosh, it's a lot of ingredients. Let's skip to the good part. Yeah. It's complete nutrition. See? Nutrition. Tropical blend. It's tropical. And it's made in the USA, so it's not Canadian.
Oh.
And it feeds Cassidy's bird. Because Cassidy's bird needs feeding. Right, Cassidy? Right.
Why are you being so quiet?
Cassidy.
Why are you being so quiet?
Oh no!
You unplugged the computer, Taylor.
Oh, Jake. Where did this sock come from? Why is it in my hand? Cassidy.
I have that bathing suit in blue.
Ow! A sandspur! Oh my God. Where did it come from? Oh, my knees are bruised. I did not know that.
No, you did.
No, I didn't. I just thought they were stolen. Oh,
Oh my God, Taylor!
oh, Cassidy.
Dude, if you would just skip to this part, you would think you two were having sex. Whose feet are like on the ground? Oh God, I was gonna interrupt.
Hey, I'm going!
I'm sorry. Why do you always do that?
It came off of a movie. I'll grab my food.